Hi, I'm Seb from Virtual Buddy. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial including a demo on how I constructed my Facebook page chatbot using UpShap. Okay, so for starters, UpShap is an all-in-one online toolkit that is an easy-to-use management platform for sales and marketing. Some of its features are email, SMS, CRM, social media automation, and more. I want to highlight here in this video the built-in template in constructing a chatbot. Let's get started. So create an account and connect your FB with the page you intend to use the chatbot feature. So here I have my account and FB connected. Also make sure to enable bot connection to your page. So create an account and connect your FB. So create an account and connect your FB with the page you intend to use the chatbot feature. So here I have my account and FB connected. Also make sure to enable bot connection to your page. So create an account and connect your FB with the page you intend to use the chatbot feature. So here I have my account and FB connected. Also make sure to enable bot connection to your page. I also created segment labels or tags that I will use later on. These labels are used to organize people who chat with your page. For example, here, I used to segregate based on what they consider themselves. My niche is actually more on gaming, so you can see here that it's gaming streamers, gaming speedrunners, and other businesses. Before I forget, you also have to input your email here in bot manager, general settings, and chat with human email. So you have to input your email here. Now with that out of the way, let's create a chat flow triggered by keywords. You can find this on bot manager, then bot flow builder, then go to the second page and find start. Then click on the yellow button, which is the edit button. In this first chat flow, you can see that the trigger words are hello, hi, and start. Don't worry, there's an installed template that you can use as a guide. Here, I put on 3 categories, which are game streamers, game speedrunners, and other business. This is where we will use the labels we created earlier on to organize. The 3 labels here: game streamers, other business, and speedrunners. These 3 categories have their own branching out. For example, here in game streamers, if they want to ask for my services and or book for a consultation, the bot will do the work for you. Almost forgot to tell you, don't forget to save the chat flow once in a while. I think every 3 minutes, or save it every time you edit something just to be safe. Aside from this chat flow, you can also edit or create chat flows based on your needs. For me, as a virtual assistant, I edited this services chat flow, free consultation, and also portfolio resume. I also edited rates or fees and chat with Seb. I also edited a bunch of this OTN, but I will explain this later. After you have finished setting up your chat flows, let's head on to the Get Started settings and enable your icebreakers for your page. First, disable the Get Started button and enable the icebreaker status. Add questions based on your liking. After you've finished setting up your chat flows, let's head on to the Get Started settings and create icebreakers for your page. First, disable the Get Started button. Then, enable icebreakers status. You can't have both enabled simultaneously. Add questions based on your liking. For me, I added these 3 questions. What are my services? How much is my rates? And if I have a resume or portfolio. And as you can see here, there's a reply message template that routes back to the chat flows you edited early on. Click Save. If you want to use the other option, the Get Started, first disable icebreakers, then enable Get Started button. Save. Then go to Persistent Menu Settings here. Click on the briefcase icon and select Edit Persistent Menu. You will see different categories or menus that you may freely edit to your liking. Just put the correct chat flow to the correspondent menu. Here, pre-consultation, services, portfolio, resume, portfolio resume. Click Submit. Then click Publish Persistent Menu. Now, you can also have a QR code if you want. Just go to Messenger Engagement here, then click Classic under m.me link. Then select Template. Mostly people select the Start Chat Flow here, then generate embed code. There will be a pop-up showing you links. If you go back to Messenger Engagement, after doing this, you can see the QR code in the lists here. And in the embed code, you can click the QR code, get QR code, and you have your QR code. For the last part of this chatbot creation, you will go to OTN Postback Manager. Click the blue plus button here, the classic editor. For the template name, you can name it as subscriber, underscore, name of the label, streamer, then underscore reply. You also have to name your OTN Postback ID. You can make the name and ID the same. And select a reply postback, the chat flow. So here are the OTNs. You have to pick the OTNs here, then click Submit. You have to edit the chat flow of the OTNs, change the names, the links, and anything you don't see fit. Congratulations! You're all done. You have made your chatbot. If you want to check the chat demo, stay tuned. I'll be right back. So welcome back. I'm gonna show you guys the page chatbot in live action. Don't forget to like my page, subscribe to this channel. So here is my FB page and the 3 icebreakers that I created. What are the services you offer? How much is your fee or rates? Do you have a resume or portfolio? Let's first try what are the services you offer, which corresponds to the services chat flow. Okay, so there are 3 categories here. Let's see if all of these work. Okay, so that works. Okay, that works too. Okay, so all 3 categories work. Now let's try the persistent menu. We have 4 choices here: free consultation, services, portfolio, and resume. Portfolio and resume have the same chat flow, which is portfolio resume. Let's check that out and see if it works. Okay, so the portfolio works. Let's try resume. Okay, so my resume works. Let's close that one. Now let's try the get started route. I'm gonna delete this chat first so we can have a new one. Okay, so let's enable the get started button and disable the icebreakers. Save and wait for the notification. Okay, so reload the page. Okay, so let's click on get started. So this get started is connected to my start chat flow, which are triggered by hi, hello, and start. I'm gonna select one of these and select game streamer. I'm gonna select chat with Seb. Chat is fine. Okay, so that's working. Let's try triggering keywords like rates. Okay, so it now transitioned to the services chat flow just as programmed. Okay, now let's try other keywords. Consultation. Free consultation. Okay, that works. How about chat with Seb. Okay, let's check if both the buttons work. Okay, that works. Chat is fine. We checked it earlier. Okay, so let's try hello. Okay, so let's try other buttons that we haven't explored yet. Okay, so services, let's check Virtual Buddy services. Okay, for consultation. Okay, that works. How about here? Okay, still works. Let's try game speedrunner. Okay, so let's check. Okay, working. Okay, so now I assign keywords temporarily for my OTN flows, just like article OB1, article OB2, so on and so forth. So let's check those out individually. Okay, article OB1. It's really article. Okay, it's working. Article OB2. Okay, so that's working too. Article GS1. Okay. Article okay. Let's try article. Okay. And lastly, one time. Let's click on notify me. Okay, as I have shown, the chatbot is fully working and there have been no mishaps. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you.